Good morning, students. Numerical number 7, 2.7. A train starting from rest. Initial velocity or V1 is equal to 0 kilometer per hour and attain a velocity of 48 kilometer per hour in 2 minutes. V2 48 kilometer per hour in 2 minutes. T1 0 minutes. T2 2 minutes. It travels at this speed for 5 minutes. Same speed and time is 5 minutes. Finally, it moves with uniform retardation and it stops after 3 minutes. Finally, train will stop, so velocity 0 and time 3 minutes. Find total distance. S is equal to question mark. First of all, we convert kilometer per hour into meter per minute. For this, multiply with 1000 and divided by 60. 0 multiplied with 1000, 0 and divided by 60, 0, answer will be 0. 0 meter per minute. V2 48 into 1000 divided by 60 and answer is 48 into 1000 divided by 60, 800 meter per minute. V3 48 into 1000 divided by 60, 800 meter per minute. V4 0 meter per minute. Now we will plot graph between speed and time. We convert time from kilometer per hour to meter per minute and we will take time in minutes. Here I plot graph. Along y-axis I will take speed and along x-axis I will take time. Speed is along y-axis and time is along x-axis. Origin is 0. Along x-axis 1 minute, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And along y-axis 0, 400 meter per minute and 800 meter per minute speed. Initially, when velocity is 0, then time is also 0. So first value is 0, 0. Second, when time is 2 minutes, then velocity is 800 meter per minute. So second value is A. Join O with A. Next 5 minutes speed will be same, 800 meter. So in next 5 minutes 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 speed will be same. Name this point as B. Speed is 800 meter per minute. We start from 0. When time is 0, speed is also 0. When time is 2 minutes, speed is 800. Next 5 minutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Speed remains 800 meter per minute. Finally, speed becomes 0 in 3 minutes. So next 3 minutes, 1, 2, 3, speed becomes 0. So we having a point C. Graph is completed. We having a shape of trapezium O, A, B, C. O, A, B, C, O. That is our trapezium. Now we find surface under this. Now we find distance under this surface area, and this surface area is trapezium. And we know the formula of trapezium. One over 2. Distance under the surface area of trapezium is equal to 1 over 2 sum of two parallel sides, and two parallel sides are AB and OC, into height, and height is A, name this as D, AD. AD is equal to 800. Write values. AB 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. OC 10. AD 800. 10 plus 5, 15. 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. 15 into 400 using calculator. 15 into 400 and answer is 6,000 meters. 6,000 meters. Okay students, we solve this numerical with the help of graph. Next, numerical number 8. Eighth numerical, a cricket ball is hit vertically upward and returned to ground 6 seconds later. Total time 6 seconds. T1 3 seconds when ball goes in upward direction, and T2 will also 3 seconds when ball back in downward direction. So total time is 6. 3 seconds moving ball in upward direction and 3 seconds in downward direction. Calculate maximum height. And initial velocity. Maximum height and initial velocity. First of all, we use first equation of motion. Vf is equal to Vi plus At. In place of A, we will use G. When ball moving in upward and downward direction, then in place of A, we will use G. Vf is equal to Vi plus Gt. When ball moves in upward direction and reaches at maximum height, then its final velocity becomes 0. So final velocity is 0. And when ball moves in upward direction, value of G is minus 10 meter per second square. Putting values in the formula, Vf 0, Vi will be finded G minus 10 and time is 3. When 10 is multiplied with 3, answer is minus 30. Minus 30 goes to left hand side and its sign will be changed. Vi is equal to 30 meter per second. Answer. Now we have to find maximum height. For this, we use second equation of motion. S is equal to Vit plus half At square. In place of S, we may write height maximum Vit plus half Gt square. So second equation of motion will be modified. H maximum is equal to, in place of Vi, we can write 30, T 3, half G minus 10 and T 3 square. 30 into 3 90 minus 2 5s are 10, 5 into 3 3s are 9, 5 9s are 45, 90 minus 45, 45 meter. So maximum height is equal to 45 meter and initial velocity is 30 meter per second. Okay students.